get them to drop deep when they don't have the ball. And there's Tavares. We have a countdown to kick-off in Yekaterinburg. Uruguay, all in white, will kick us off and underway. Takura and Vecino. It's Cavani. Down by Gabr. Georgian de Raschiata. And Cavani.
Just that
that's a little header away. Drops towards El Neni. The pass back to him was too high, but the shot was away. And here's Varela. And the shot was away. It's not on target from Luis Suarez. That's a ball clearance away by Cáceres. And there's Wanda notched off the ball there. He was. Will he take these? Looking for the centre-backs who'd come forward. And away by Cáceres. Fati. No, I don't think there was a foul. I think he went down and played for that De La Said. Mendes. Chance here for Cavani. To Suarez. Fati defended well. Cavani did brilliantly. And the deflection over by Ali Gabr.
he had to get there as well.
Then Cáceres is in there. Same towards the centre-back. Off Godin. 1-0 Uruguay. The referee has disallowed it. Wadra did well. Motion on the half-turn. Cavani and Suarez. Here's Vecino again. Tries it from range.
Well, at least that's positive.
Jimenez. It's a foul. Georgian de Raschiata. Luis Suarez. Oh, poor free kick at the wall. Looks for the Raschiata. Warda. Got between the two centre-backs. And El Shafi with the cross. He could have major surprises. De Raschiata. And then he breezed away from him. That's a terrible, terrible, terrible touch.
Shocking, wasn't it?
Here's Abdel Fati, and this is a great chance for them at the end of the half. Back with Fati into the penalty area. That's okay. And towards Mawson. Didn't stick with him. Chiata. Look who's up in support. Godin all the way up from the back. He's been underway in the second half. Here we go, Egypt in the red and black. Kicking from right to left then to Cavani. Back in towards Luis Suarez. Good stop by El Shenawi. Big choice by the Egyptian manager to play the inexperienced guy. Found seats for hundreds and hundreds of Egyptian naval personnel. And
yeah, I think
it was really colourful.
Jonathan, there's an injury here. I think he's going to have to come off.
A major blow. Estimating Egypt today, Martin, who have the ball now. Here's Trezeguet. We know he's got electrifying pace.
He couldn't defend, and he's just makes it look so easy.
Just a bit up to motion. It's Trezeguet. Shot goes well wide. I wonder how your Raschiata goes off. And it will be Christian Rodriguez who comes on. Over 100 international shares. This is football at Monterrey these days. Former River Plate. Wilson goes off. The substitute, the Al Ittihad player, Suarez. Cáceres. Chance to create a little bit of space, and then comes across, and it's Ndakor allowed to carry the ball deep into Egyptian territory. That's a good chance with the corner. Comes to Cavani. Didn't think it would. Tried to get the shot away, and the referee has given. Wada, he's caught. Referee's playing on, and it was This is what they do right at the start. Uruguay must have known about it. Cavani into Suarez. And he wanted too much time. He took too long. Abdullah Said is in the middle. It's played back, looking for Wada. back out to Elneny.
Done well for his team.
And Huddersfield's new signing comes on. Suarez. Back to Cavani! Oh, that's a super save! Early in the World Cup, but that's probably the best save we've seen so far. Cavani. Bentancur looks for Varela. Sanchez. Awareness. Suarez. Cavani got goal side and gets the free kick. Cavani for Uruguay. Off the post! Oh, and Sanchez blocked the effort from his own. Let's watch for Cáceres in this situation. He's underneath the ball. It's in! They've won it, Uruguay! Right at the death! It's Jose Jimenez! And it could be Uruguay's first opening game victory in a World Cup final since 1970.